Welcome to my channel, where I reveal the keys to effective real estate management. Today, we're delving into the realm of real estate, uncovering strategies for successful property management. Are you prepared to elevate your approach to real estate? Establishing trust with tenants and ensuring landlords' peace of mind are intertwined. While managing properties may appear daunting, careful planning and adherence to established guidelines make it entirely feasible. Building a positive relationship between landlord and tenant from the outset is essential. Consistent communication is vital for overseeing property maintenance and promptly addressing concerns. Today, we're emphasizing the significance of property maintenance in real estate investment. Maintaining properties not only attracts tenants, but also fosters long-term retention. Regular upkeep not only enhances property appeal, but also prevents costly repairs in the future. Engaging tenants for feedback can prevent future challenges, enhancing productivity and profitability. Additionally, prioritizing tenants' comfort and safety demonstrates their importance. Although high tenant turnover rates can be draining, proactive measures can mitigate risks and enhance returns. Comprehensive understanding of property leasing is pivotal. From routine inspections to timely repairs, proactive maintenance is the cornerstone of successful property management. Mastery of essentials? From setting competitive rental rates to attracting reliable tenants and navigating eviction procedures is crucial. While achieving these goals may require effort, it's undoubtedly attainable with guidance from my books. Are you prepared to enhance your property management strategy? Don't miss the opportunity. Subscribe to our channel for valuable real estate insights and content. Let's collaborate to create superior rental experiences. Thank you for tuning in. Together, let's streamline property management. For further knowledge, explore my recommended books on the channel page. See you there.